going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Cryptoteacher and the new World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. Also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And then also those who are shopping at both stores, much love, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. Guys, we have a lot of cryptos that are down 40 and 50%. I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice. Please do your own research. But guys, when we're dipping like this and we know that we're going to be going up for a few days, and then we get CME and then we pull back a little and then we know we're going right back up. So guys, either you can buy now, hold until open interest, or you can wait for CME and see if we dip a little bit more. I don't see us dipping as low as we are right now. We had Bitcoin drop down to about 33,000, made its way up to about 38. It's about 37 as I'm doing this video. But there's a lot of cryptos that hit a bottom for the second time. So if you didn't take advantage of it last time, you had this time to take advantage. Do not be scared of the dips. Remember I said, I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice. Please do your own research. The key word is research. Research these cryptos because, guys, we know the ones that have utility, when it comes to open interest, they move right back up. You just have to be patient. We did the same thing last month, guys. We know they need Bitcoin as collateral on the 5th, and we move right back up. Do I see us getting back up to those highs where we were at? No. Remember, I've already said, no, we're not getting back there. But right now, we're just making higher lows. I definitely see Bitcoin getting close to 50,000. Also, Ethereum getting back to around 3,500. So, guys, just make sure you're doing your research. Find the cheapest crypto. If you don't have a lot of money, few hundred, few thousand, find the lowest crypto. Because right now, guys, this is a perfect time to buy. You buy when it's blood in the streets. But you definitely have to do research before investing. I see a lot of complaining online for people who bought at the highs that are complaining as we're dropping lower. Guys, remember the Fed pumped cryptos and stocks. They're going to start shrinking this balance sheet. Yes, cryptos are definitely the future for the fourth industrial revolution. But we know only 1% of these cryptos are going to make it. A lot of people are investing in meme coins or coins that have no utility. So when the casino stops, when the speculation stops, which coins do you think are going to get hurt the most? Same way when you go to the stock market, you go to these tech shell companies that don't even have a product yet, they're getting hit the most. So guys, it's common sense. Sit down, do your studying. But definitely, guys, when you look at the stable coins, they've been telling us which way the market is going. So make sure that you're paying attention to the indicators. You have your volume, you have the tether, you have USDC. Do not forget about the Fed. Remember, the Fed has already came to us and said they're going to be doing a central bank digital currency. They're going to be doing a digital dollar. But remember the Fed's mission, and that's to get us moved over to the fourth industrial revolution. And there's going to be some pain to get us there. Crypto stocks are going to move down lower, but we have that vision. We know the EV stocks. We know the charging stations. We know gambling is going to be big. And what's going to pay for that? What's going to help us get moved over to that? Blockchain, cryptos, tokenization. We know the Fed is manipulating the market. Sit down, study it. Now we have CME climbs to second place in Bitcoin futures exchange, and we know Binance is number one. But also, guys, we do this same thing every single month. Back CME. Those who've been with me at the beginning of 2020, I've broken it down several times. If you're new to this channel, go back and watch the videos. This is a perfect time for you to develop trading strategies. And on social media, guys, that's all you're going to hear about is hodling. But if you've been with me since 2020, you know I teach you both. And hodling is all about your entry point. Depends on when you actually bought. If you bought at the highs, there's no reason for you to hodl. If you bought at the lows, of course. Also, if you're hodling onto these meme coins, coins that have no utility, go back to 2017, we went through the bull market, and go look at the list now. Those same cryptos are not there. The same thing is going to happen on our next bull run. A lot of these cryptos that are sitting here are not going to make it. They're going to be gone. Only 1% are going to last. And that's why trading is important. So therefore, you select your utility tokens that you want to put your money in. And the bear market, when everybody's complaining the market is going down, you're making money, putting it to the side, stable coins or cash, and buying these dips. So you're in and out the market, stacking your money. So therefore, when we do get to a bottom, because we will hit a bottom of the market, whether that's Bitcoin going down to 14,000, 20,000, and the rest of the cryptos following, and you can add to your HODL bag. Remember, that's all I preached last year. Those who listen made a lot of money. Because definitely, guys, we know the Fed is going to taper back this balance sheet. We have higher yields. We have inflation that's coming. We have September 6th. All these people that's getting this free money, that money is cut off. Biden has already said we're not adding no more money. He's come out of his own mouth and said they're not adding. They want people back in the workforce. Why? Because everybody's going to be distracted, back complaining, we have no money, and what is the government going to do? That's right, bring in the cryptocurrencies. We know the digital yuan is going to be used in the Olympics next year. That is so important because they're leading the way. Remember, China has the blueprint. Now, guys, do not forget about Grayscale. We know Grayscale Bitcoin Trust was locked up, but we also know the lockup period expires anyway, end of June, early July. Now, their discount has narrowed down to 10% as we get closer to the lockup period expiring. And remember, guys, I can't tell you enough. Do not be scared of these dips. Just sit back, research, find you the cheapest crypto that has utility, and invest. And just getting over to a couple topics in the news, we have the Bank of Canada says that crypto is highly risky despite institutional adoption. And guys, we know why it's risky, because the Fed is controlling it. They are the whales. And lastly, guys, we have Dubai Securities and Commodities Authority is working on a new deal that will allow cryptocurrency trading under established regulation. And Dubai has definitely been leading when it comes to cryptocurrencies. We have Ripple with a headquarters there also. But the Middle East is right behind Africa, and of course Africa is right behind Asia. Because remember, guys, when it comes to the New World Order, It's all planned out. But that's all I have for you. Don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher, and the new Road Order book. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Cryptoteacher stock channel. Do not forget about Cryptoteacher stocks. You have your Cobalt, chip stocks, banking, gaming, where everybody's sitting at home. You got that home stocks, the C word, the biotech stocks, and where everybody's at home getting free money and waiting on that free money. What are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and y'all have a wonderful day.